Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I'm at my sister's house, and she's picked up this E Schmeckenbecher Farmers Daughter's Cuckoo clock for me that I bought on Marketplace for $40. No, sorry, $30. Anyway, this is it. First time I'm touching it. The roof is off the clock. There's the movement. Bellows are in fairly good shape. It's got the tire down there that seems to be in good shape. The boyfriend, is off the ladder, but the ladder seems to be in fairly decent shape. Needs a little bit of glue. The farmer's got his pitchfork, which is a good thing. The housing, the landscape itself is missing. Well, I take that back. This side is off, but I have it right here. A little bit of glue. Here's the roof. It's got the music box. I have to set up my camera on my tripod, but we'll get back to that. Good things, the pendulum's there, the weight's there, the door with the gong is here. This was also in the box, which is the housing for the music box, and there was a repair slip from a clock repairman. This is who the clock used to belong to. One day, Cuckoo Clock Farmers Visitor and Daughter. No, Farmer Suitor and Daughter. In window musical. This was on 2007, 1-year warranty, replacement movement estimate $135, due by Christmas if possible. Taken in my possession. He replaced the movement, $95. Repaired the music box, no charge. Labor, $35. Tax, total of $137.17. So that was fairly cheap for fixing this clock. Supposedly it's got a different movement in it. But, for the price that I paid for $30, I'm extremely happy with what I have. Here's the music box. It looks like I don't have my special glasses on, but it looks like the side here has been JB welded, and the note that I showed you said that the music box was repaired, and this is the old housing for the music box. So I guess as long as it works. And it seems to be working. I don't hear any cracks in the plastic gears or nothing. But the wheel is slipping. You see that? I shouldn't do that. I'll have to fix that. And I'll have to fix the roof because it's cracked and broken in a few different places. Luckily, the rock, which isn't really a rock, is with the piece. It feels more like plaster, maybe. But it'll give me something to do once I get home to my house. But I love E Schmeckenbecher clocks. As I said in the other video, I love E Schmeckenbecher clocks. They're extremely talented the way they made their clocks. The only thing I don't like about E Schmeckenbecher clocks is they were extremely talented when they made their clocks. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and may God bless each and every one of you.